Sharing in Google Sites works very similar to sharing any other Google app. So find the button at the top here that's the person with the plus sign and click on that to share. This will show you everyone who has access and what kind of access they have. When you're looking through your list, think about the draft version, who can edit your draft, and the published version, who can view the published version. But then who also do you want to be able to edit your website? There's a extra checkbox here which I feel is very important to talk about, and that is prevent editors from publishing, changing access, and adding new people. If this is a sensitive website and you want somebody to have quality control, make the person that has quality control the owner and check this box. What that will do is make it so that the people who have editing rights can edit the draft, but only the person who's the owner can publish the changes to the final website. So it has to go through that quality control management aspect. To share with an individual, you're going to click on this invite people and type in their name. It's going to ask you what kind of permission do you want them to have. They can either only view or edit. Those are the two options. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to notify them? If you check that box off, they won't know they have access. If you want to turn that prevent editors on, click that button and then click save changes. Now click OK and click OK to send it or to share it. Now I can see that this individual has editing rights to my website. Now because this box is clicked, if he goes in and makes his changes to the draft, I have to come in and click publish before the changes are actually made to the finalized website that people access from online. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it's provided you with some tools and some strategies for building your own websites on Google Sites. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to catch more videos on using Google Apps for education.